Here's the sports. The Kenya national men's tennis team is now ready to rumble in Africa Group 4 Davis Cup, which is slated for July 26th to the 30th in Kigali, Rwanda. The team, which has been training in a residential camp at the Nairobi club for 8 weeks under the watchful eyes of head coach George Oyo, is expected to jet out on Friday this week. KTN's David Mberia has more.
At Nairobi Club, the national tennis team is on its last touches of sharpening their skills ahead of the Continental Group 4 Davis Cup that will be held on July 26th to 30th in Kigali, Rwanda.
Tumejiandaa vizuri sana na tunatumaini like really good results, lakini it's a game of tennis. It's a game of win or I win.
We are leaving on Saturday night, so when we get there we'll have like 4 days of training before we play the event.
Despite having a formidable squad that comprises of 3-time Kenya Open champion Ishmael Shangawa, siblings Kyle Shah and Kin Shah, alongside Derek Ominde and Ibrahim Yego, head coach George Oyo has admitted that this could be the most open tournament with all teams evenly matched.
Pinzani kawaida, hii ni mchezo ambao ukifika ndio unaweza ona vile utacheza, lakini tayari tuko na plan. Vile ile ratiba ya wachezaji, ule wa kwanza, wa pili na ule atacheza kama watatu na nani atacheza kwenye doubles.
Kenya will be out to amend their disappointing performance last year where they lost all 3 matches.
Tunataka tuwe na wachezaji wawili wazuri wa kucheza ile singles match, and then if we don't win or if we win one singles then we don't do well in the other one, then we have a strong doubles team to field.
With a blend of young and experienced players, Kenya will be gunning to earn promotion to play in Africa Group 3 Davis Cup. The Group 4 Africa Davis Cup tournament in Kigali, Rwanda will also hand Kenya a chance to ascend on the world tennis rankings. Davis Mberia, KTN Sports.
Thank you, Davis. Kenyan boxer Daniel Wanyonyi has warned Tanzania's Karim Mtukazi